Hello friends, welcome to my channel Puja Food Blog. Today in this video, I am going to teach you how to remove husk of jaw means barley. It is very easy to remove the husk of barley. So first of all, we will go and select all the pebbles. Otherwise, a small pieces will be left in the husk while coming out. If the pebbles do not come out, then whatever food you make from barley, it will taste bad. It is very easy to extract the husk of barley in the village. People crush it with a mortar and pestle. The people living in the city have a mixer grinder usually. You can easily remove the peel of barley from that too. Same, I am going to show you the practical. Keep watching the video till the end that how easy it is to remove the husk of barley. Don't think that barley will be ground in the mixer. Don't be afraid. Barley is hard. I often clean the peel of barley with the mixer. So see, I am showing the practical in front of you. We have to keep checking by turning the mixer little by little whether the grind is not complete. Keeping this in mind, you have to clean the barley little by little with the mixer. Any item made of barley tastes very good. Barley satwa tastes very good. Barley dalia tastes very good. Friends, you can eat bread made of barley. That too tastes very good. You can also eat barley by mixing it with any other grain if you don't feel like eating only barley bread. You can eat barley after grinding it with wheat. It is very beneficial in eating. Eating it gives a lot of benefits. And in this way, we have removed the husk of all the barley. See, here both barley and husk are together, which will not come out from the sieve. For this, you have to use this kind of equipment that's called soup. So in this way, if you take it little by little in the soup and beat it, then both the product and the husk will separate. It's already dry, so you don't have any problem. You must be finding it a bit difficult to see, but it is very easy to operate. No problem. If you don't have any soup, you can buy this from any market anywhere. If you prepare and eat anything without removing the barley husk, it will sting your neck, stomach and mouth. So this is a very safe method by which we can take advantage of barley by cleaning it without any problem. You can see how easily the bran or husk has been removed from the barley. See how much it is stinging by touching it. What will happen if it goes into the food? You see, in 500 grams of barley, so much husk has been removed. If we do not remove it, it will go into our stomach. That's why it is very important to clean barley in this way before making anything of it. If you don't do this, then leave the benefit. You will never feel like eating anymore. So you have to pick it up from the top with light hands by whipping it in this way. In this way, we will lift it in a plate and once again run it lightly into the mixer. So see, peel will not grind in the mixer if you stir it lightly. If you run the mixer hard for a long time, then it will be crushed. Take care of it and stir it lightly while watching the mixer. Remember, we have to run the mixer according to the separation of husk from barley. So in the same way, we will run all the remaining barley in the mixer so that whatever husk is left out. Now we beat it to see how much husk is coming out of it. Then we will take it out too. You can see that now there is no husk in the barley, so there is no need to grind it anymore. If you liked my method of extracting barley husk, you have found it beneficial, then please like and share this video as much as possible. You can also comment your questions if you have not understood anything. Please subscribe to my channel Puja Food Blog. On my channel, you will find videos of making all kinds of recipes very easily. You can follow me on Instagram at Puja395. I will meet you once again with a different recipe or any helpful video. So now you can easily take out the husk of barley and make any item and eat it or eat it mixed with wheat or eat it like satwa or dalia. I hope you have liked this video. Then please give it your love. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Bye.